Sergeant Matt Cabot knows his way around a steering wheel.
I have worked as a traffic sergeant for many years at Thornton Police Department.
He's also a driving instructor for TopCops Driving School, where during the months of November and December, he says driving with wildlife has a heightened importance for all drivers.
They're going to need to remember, hey, when I'm driving between these months or in any time if I'm driving at night, those nocturnal animals could be out, and I need to use a little bit of extra caution.
Nocturnal animals like the pronghorn, who saw triple-digit casualties from run-ins with drivers during our early November snowstorm.
The primary focus is maintain control of your vehicle.
But what should drivers do when they can't control what happens next?
You don't want to hit it square, because if it comes over the hood, it could get into your windshield and really cause a severe injury. If you hit it on the back side or the front side, that animal most likely is going to spin off of that collision.
Colorado State Patrol agrees that drivers should not swerve and should pull over if contact is made.
If smaller animals come in front of your car, the best place for them to go is underneath the car.
It's a lesson that even Sergeant Cabot has to remember.
No, I've never hit any wildlife.
But says these accidents could become more common as he sees more Coloradans sharing the road with these animals.
As these suburbs encroach out, especially out into Golden, into Boulder, and some of those foothills, you're going to have to start dealing with this wildlife because we're going now into their territory.